Hey, how you doing? So I don't know if you got a dog that likes to chew things. Sometimes they chew things that are expensive, like this retractable leash. I'd rather not get another one. They're pretty pricey. I'm going to see if I can repair it. They've got quite a bit of damage on this handle. A lot of the rubber chewed off, a lot of the hard plastic chewed off. So let's see what we're going to use to get this into decent shape. We've got a Dremel tool, we've got some electrical tape, we've got some epoxy putty. We're going to first use that Dremel tool to clean up the handle, and then we'll get in with the putty and then wrap it all up and make it look nice. So let's get going. So we've got most of the rough edges sanded down. Just wanted to get a better surface for the putty. Wanted to get off the sharper burrs. So now let's move on to the putty. Epoxy putty is pretty easy to come by. You can get it at any hardware store, big box store. You can order it online. It's also really cheap. It's probably like $6 for something this size. It comes in two parts. Some of that, two rolls that you mix together. This one's got a roll of one material on the inside and one material on the outside, and you knead it together to activate it until it is a uniform color. I don't think you have to use gloves, but you probably should. And once I get this good and kneaded together, it's going to turn like maybe a light blue. I'm going to start forming it around the handle to get that shape back. Got a good mix together. This stuff is going to bond really strong with the plastic underneath. And I just want to get it kind of back to the original shape that the handle was in and cover up a lot of the missing plastic. We're getting close. I'm going to spend another minute or two smoothing it out, and then we're going to let it cure.
3 hours later.
All right, it's a few hours later. This brand of epoxy says it cures in just 2 to 3 hours. I actually left it overnight, 24 hours. Other brands do recommend 24 hours for a full cure. And it's sandable, grindable. I'm going to grind down a couple burrs on it that are poking out of the plastic. And then we're going to move on to the tape. All that's left really is to tape up the handle. I'm using cloth wire tape. You can use electrical tape, grip tape, hockey tape, anything you want that you want to have a nice grip on it. Just using this cloth wire tape because it feels nice, super useful. Use it for a lot of stuff and available just about everywhere. All right, there we go. Looking good, nice and taped up. Ready to take this out. Alright, feels good, looks good, feels strong. Strong enough for this dog.